If you want to get 1000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, then you should watch this video. Because after watching this video, you will know about the 3 important factors that will help you to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers. This video is going to be very informative and helpful, so make sure you don't skip any part of the video. So without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's go. So you guys also have started a YouTube channel by the dream of becoming a YouTuber. But in the beginning of our YouTube journey, we do lots of mistakes. And that mistakes slow down the growth of our YouTube channel. So if we can find out the mistake and avoid that kind of mistake, then we can grow our YouTube channel in short period of time. So that's why we will talk about those mistakes as well and some experience and the knowledge that I have gained in my YouTube journey. And now let's talk about the 3 important factors that will help you to grow your YouTube channel in short period of time. Number 1. So the first and the most important factor is niche. For example, YouTube has different niches like people and blogs, entertainment and science and technology. The first thing that we need to do is find out our niche. And after finding the niche, then we should start making videos on that specific niche only on regular basis. Niche is very important for finding your audience. Every niche have their own audience. For example, fitness has their own audience, entertainment has their own audience, and movies had their own audience. So that's why to find an audience of your YouTube channel, you need to make videos on a specific niche only. And why I'm talking about a specific niche only and saying specific niche, it is because if you make a video on fitness today, you will gather some audience who is interested in fitness. And next day, if you make video on another topic, then that audience won't watch your video. And which is very bad, because in the beginning of our YouTube journey, we have to collect the audience. We have to make a fixed audience, because the audience are the main thing which will help you to grow your YouTube channel. The more you get engagement from the audience, the more you get views from the audience, YouTube will promote your video to the more larger audience. So that's why it is very important. So from now, start making your videos on one specific niche only. And if you have already find out your niche, then now you don't need to switch your niche, because it will be very bad for your YouTube channel. Because if you switch the niche of your YouTube channel, then the audience and the viewers of your YouTube channel will decrease, and it will become very hard to grow your YouTube channel. So that was our first factor. Now let's talk about the second number factor. And the second number factor is quality of your content. As a beginner, we do not have any editing skills and knowledge about content creation, due to which our content looks average. The video quality looks average, the lighting looks average, and everything looks average. In result, we can't make a good impression on our viewers. So that's why we do not get good amount of views on our video in the beginning journey. For giving good impression to the viewers and getting more views on our video, we need to upgrade the quality of our content. We need to learn and gather some knowledge about video editing and the content creation. This is the thing you will slowly get better in it, so you don't need to worry about it. But another thing which will help you a lot to create good quality of content is a good camera. If you can purchase a good camera, then it will be more than enough for your content creation journey. But I also understand that in the beginning of our YouTube journey, we do not have money for the investment. So if you also have the same case, you lack money for investment, then you can buy a mobile phone with good camera, and you can invest in some lights which will not be too much expensive. You can also get an affordable light in the market. A small light can also play a vital role in increasing the quality of our video. For example, right now I also don't have any lights, but I'm using the light of the window in a correct way, and somehow it is increasing the quality of my video. So you can also use this kind of tips and tricks and work on upgrading the quality of your content. If you start creating quality of content, then it doesn't matter if you are in the beginning of your YouTube journey, you will obviously get more views and more subscribers in your channel. So this is the second number factor. Now let's talk about the last but not the least factor, which is shorts video. Yes, uploading shorts video is very important if you want to get more amount of subscribers in short period of time. Shorts video has helped me a lot to grow my YouTube channel. It has given me lots of subscribers in comparison with the longer video. Shorts video work like a magic for the growth of your YouTube channel, and it is because shorts video always has more reach than the longer video. For example, if you upload a long video, it will be very hard to get 100 views only also in the beginning of your YouTube journey. But if you upload a shorts video, there will be at least 100 views. So there is no doubt about the reach of the long video and the shorts video. Shorts video always has more reach, and shorts video always give more subscribers. The main thing you should focus on while uploading a shorts video is the correct timing and the correct way. And another is the hook. If you can hook your audience on the 3 seconds of your YouTube shorts, then you will obviously get more views, and after you get more views on your shorts video, then you will obviously get more subscribers. So that's why you should also start uploading shorts video on your YouTube channel. And if you don't know how to upload shorts video correctly, then you can watch this video. So that's it. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Stay subscribed and stay tuned.